Miley Cyrus, is that you?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna play my song and the butterflies fly away. What it do, what it is, your girl Stacey, and I'm back with another video. And today I am sick, y'all. I am sick as a dog. Because, well, I cheer, of course, and I was yelling for one. My throat is hurting for two. But three, I got a migraine, even though I took medicine and it still ain't working. But Lord, help me. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video. And hit the link down below. And I'm going to have all my social media at the bottom. And go check out my other videos that I posted. So today I'm going to be doing the acting crazy. Huh? Oh, anyways, I'm babysitting. But make sure you, what I was saying. Oh, I'm gonna be doing a part 2 on Monkey Prank. I'm gonna be acting crazy on Monkey part 2. So this time, I'm gonna try my best to, like, my head hurts so freaking bad, y'all. But we gon' we gonna get this prank started. So first, I'm gonna take a shower because it's hot and I feel overheated. So I'm gonna like set up the camera and stuff like that when I got the shower, and we just gonna see how this prank gonna go. And that's just that. Period. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I think I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup. I'm just gonna use some, this is like kind of dark. Okay, there you go. I guess I'm finna use like some dark makeup. Just put like crazy stuff on my head, like just, I don't know. You guys, I do believe in God, so if you see me doing this dumb stuff, don't worry about what I'm doing, okay? I ain't gonna put on a lot because I'm not trying to take this shit off. Let's put red, like this freaking lip gloss. Hopefully these don't be, you know what I'm saying? Well, listen. If y'all have babies crying in the back, or if somebody in there with them, my mom was in there trying to get them ready for bed. It's still nighttime. I was gonna put some curtains up because, I don't know, I was gonna put some curtains up, but the shit ain't gonna work. It's upset. I don't even know what to do. But hopefully I don't get cussed out because, you know what I'm saying? I'm just making a freaking mess. So I make it dark. Make it like I'm breaking me. Sorry if I look rough, y'all. I just do my little thing. Y'all, this is my final look. So we finna get this thing started. Yo. Alright, y'all, by the way, I am using my ring light, and they do have like the on the out button, so I'm gonna just be flickering it and stuff like that. I'm gonna stand up so you guys will be able to see me. Move this chair. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. First I'm gonna turn it off. See what they gonna say. I'm gonna like stand over here first. What's up? Then I'm skipping. Ooh. Go to bed, little boy, if I tell your mother. Go to bed before 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 I tell you. Stop though. Y'all, look at my wig, my lace front. Peekaboo, I see ya.
I see you too, Papa Titty whore.
Oh my god, these people disrespectful ass motherfuckers. You smoking on that loud. Yeah. This pussy nigga. Y'all, that was disrespectful. Papa Titty for bitch. Don't play with me, ho. Connection failed. Don't play these kind of games. Don't play these kind of. Go to bed, little boy, if I whip your ass.
No. Move it.
Oh my god. What the? Nasty. Nasty. Ooh. You motherfuckers want to play with me and my money? Give me my goddamn money.
You look like the animated side of Chucky.
And you like a fucking whore, bitch. Let's fight.
You don't sound intimidating, motherfucker.
You
Animated. Ooh. Come on, bitch. I'm telling your mommy that you up smoking that shit.
What you talking about?
You up smoking that shit.
Nobody's smoking. What you mean?
Fuck wrong with you, bitch. Fuck wrong with your pussy ass. Uh-oh. How you doing today, sir? How?
Like a,
Huh?
I don't know if I'm supposed to be scared to just start laughing. I don't know. I'm confused.
Bitch, your mama was confused when she had you. Y'all, I'm tired. They ain't entertaining right now.
disgusting, bro. I was gonna swipe up.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up.
Yo, you're a nigger. Shut up.
Oh, you wanna call me a nigger? You're fucking bitch. Fight me. Fight me. Hey, why did y'all? I'm sitting over here because this hoe just hit me. I'm sitting over here so I could jump into the camera. That's why I'm not in the camera all the way. Maybe I should like come in the middle. They're scaring me. They keep skipping. What? I'm gonna get mad. He better not skip me either. I'm gonna punch him. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey. Ooh. Oh. Goddamn. Yo, wait, time out. Yo, I just bust my ass.
Ow, my nigga. Like,
Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
damn, ho, ain't my fault. You get your ass beat by your dad.
Shut up.
Your
He said, "Ain't my fault you getting your ass beat by your daddy." Y'all, bro, I just busted the shit out of my ass, man. That ain't even funny. Y'all think that shit funny. Let me turn off the light. This is why I should have did that nighttime, but it's cool though. It ain't gonna make a difference because they can't see me because I'm black anyways, and that's just that. Period. Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
Man, you shut your retarded ass up. Boy, I repeat it. Make your psychic, retarded, zombie in the face. Decent.
They be selling my ass hot. Oh, bitch. I'm doing food. Shoo! Woo! Hey, how you doing, boy? What's your name? What's your name? Alright, take up on me. Let me slip this hoe right back on. Yo, that shit funny. Oh, he skipped me. I guess I took too long. Uh-oh. Shut up, pussy nigga. Shut up.
I'm gonna get your saggy
Bitch, first of all, I got on the trainer, bro. I'm just playing, y'all. Bitch, I'm going to sleep. Oh, yeah, bro. I'm pussy nigga. Hey, boo. What's up, boo? What's up? How you doing, baby?
How you doing, baby?
I don't want to hear you say my name is El. He was cute, too. Oh, Lord. What you doing? Look. I need to stop with that dumb junk. Y'all, I just changed the freaking green light. I'm taking too long.
Hey, Stacy.
What up?
Where you from?
What? What you say about me? I'm a nigga.
I'm gonna rape you. I'm gonna rape. What the fuck?
I'm a
I'm
nigga.
gonna rape your ass.
I'm a
I'm
nigga.
rape. I don't give a
He gay. You know, he was ready to pump. Oh, gay as fuck. Miley Cirus, is that you?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna play my song in the butterfly fly away. Follow back, hell yeah. But hey, hell yeah. Alright, I gotta go. Yo, this shit funny. They getting on my ass. Because I should throw some cash. Throw some cash. Damn, shawty. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
You cute, boom.
Thank you.
I ain't gonna mess with the girls because they gonna come attack my ass like I'm scared. Who got the car? Who got it?
Hello?
Jake from Steak Farm. Jake from Steak Farm.
I'm sad.
Excuse me?
If you ain't got ass, I ain't throwing cash, ho.
These niggas disrespectful. I can't see you. Wake your ass up.
What's good?
Wake up. I'm a nigga.
Okay.
They nasty. I can't deal with people. I'm gonna do like 2 more, y'all. And then I'm gonna just end this video. Oh shit, I gotta jump this time. What up, pussy nigga?
Pussy nigga.
What's up? You wanna fight?
I know pussy around
Hmm?
here. I know pussy around here.
Around her? I like how they talk. That's like the down south people around her. Yes, sir. Who is this?
Hi.
Hey, how you doing, little kids?
What you guys supposed to do?
Oh, y'all shit it. That ain't right. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And y'all hear the baby in the background crying because my mama trying to put her to sleep and she keep fighting her sleep. So yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video. Like I said, give this a thumbs up. And ring that bell. I try to make it as funny as possible. Well, I have to do a lot of editing and a lot of figuring out because somebody decided to show their little wee in the camera. So until next time, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I forgot. Bye.